There are 4 types of sentences: declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence. This sentence is a statement that tells us something. It ends with a full stop. For example, I went to the shop today. My name is Jasmine. Imperative sentence. This type of sentence tells someone to do something. It can be a command or a request. The sentence ends with a full stop. For example, please complete your homework for tomorrow. Go to school now. Interrogative sentence. This type of sentence asks a question, and it ends with a question mark. For example, where do you live? What time did you go to the shop? Exclamatory sentence. This is a type of sentence that shows strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, I feel so sad. Today is the best day ever.